Hello MAMISONGAS, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button down below and click on that notification button so you can get updated on my craziness and videos. Today is a get ready with me, a little chit chat here, you know, bochinche, that's what it is. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry. Some topics and stuff because I'm about to do my face. Just go ahead. First of all, I'm gonna prime my face with the AOA Studio thing that I got from Shop Miss A. You can see all the links down below of all the makeup that I did use in the description box to show you guys what I'm using. Yeah, I diablo, pero why am I using my fingers? Espérate, please hold. To prime my face. Listen, a lot of people have been telling me that I need to start doing a basura makeup video, and I know, but I don't have time as well. I don't have as much time as you think I do. I always thinking I always have so much time. You know, I first started this because I was bored. I just wanted to play, you know, a little play. But now I just don't have time. Go ahead and do my eyebrows. I know they're bushy, but you know, bear with me. I want to do a Q&A soon, so if you guys have any questions of what I use or what I do or anything like that, I want to do a get ready with me with a Q&A, you know, like that's good. I only had a couple questions that people asked me on my Snapchat, like what eyeshadow I use the most, well, like eyeshadow palette I use the most, which is the ones that I purchased and recently got. And it's the Aftershock and the QAF palette. Now, I know this one is Taurus, don't even look at it. So my eyebrows are done, and now since I had some time to get these things together or whatever, I decided to do some 10 facts about me and to get ready with me. That's what we're doing. So let's keep going. Let's do the first fact about me. Oh, I'm using the AOA Studio Wondercover HD Concealer. I don't know if you can see that. All right. First thing you guys don't know about me is that, well, you guys know about this. I can't do makeup. But the first thing you guys don't know, well, something about me is, I come from a really big family, very Spanish, very bland, very loud. As you can clearly see me being loud. Yeah. Very Spanish, very loud, very, Dios mío, very that. I am the middle child out of 7 kids. Yes, 7. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Growing up, it was lit. Like, 1, you were never alone. 2, you could always blame something on somebody knowing the fact that they didn't do it and you did. But that's just the way it is. But they did it right back to you, so, you know, you had to be careful. My brothers and sisters, when we were growing up, they were smart. They knew. Like the situation, like I want to tell you guys, the situation that my brother tried me with, he was making some oodles and noodles. And my mom was like, we already ate dinner. Who's making oodles and noodles? You feel me? And first thing my little brother tells my mom, oh, Izzy's making it. Oh God. That's what we doing. Bah! Well, just know that I got in trouble because of you. Ooh, the second fact about me is, up until now, I have been terrified on taking elevators that have more than 5 floors in them. Now, let me tell you why. Growing up, my family, every summer, my grandma would visit us, and she would take us school shopping and all that extra stuff, you know, and take us on trips. We went to Niagara Falls, went to Manhattan, etc., etc. Now, the time that we went to Manhattan, we went to go visit my grandma's friend. And she lived on a building that had like 35 floors. So, going on, we had really no choice because we were children, you know? So, growing up, we just went with our grandma, and we ended up going up. There was no problem going up. It was going down. Once we were going down, I think it was me, my mom, and I think my sister. I think one of my sisters. Yeah, one of my sisters. And we got stuck with like at least 4 or 5 people. I remember this, and I cannot get this out of my head. Because like it got stuck, and then like the door opened midway, and all you seen was like it was only halfway down, like for the doorway. So fire department got called, police got called, and you know, people had to get out. So the fire department was like, okay, children first. At least 2 children went before me, and then it was me. And like this entire time, the elevator's making creaking noises and all that extraness, and I'm just like, I'm not okay with the sound. So, hold on. I gotta concentrate on this part, y'all. At first, I was like skeptical, like I shouldn't go because this thing is about to set off at any moment and drop while I'm going. So the guy was like, "It's now or never, sweetie. You need to go now." So I'm like, okay. So he grabs me, and like we're trying to fit my body like through this area, because I know the rest of the adults and stuff like that, they had to like, I don't know the way it was set up. Like they were supposed to push it down so everyone can get through, but at first they were trying to get the children out first. So when it was my turn, the elevator, it decides to drop, you know, terrified me to the core. You know that part, I think the opening part of Resident Evil, the first movie, when everybody gets stuck on the elevator, and that lady wants to go see, and she sticks her head out. She sticks her head out and gets her head chopped off. You feel me? That, as a kid, was going through my mind. And I instantly started screaming, and I couldn't stop. Like, I couldn't stop. It wasn't happening. I can see my roommate looking at me at the bottom. Ew! Bruh. She Snapchatted me. I thought I was going to be using Tavelis, but I really like the elf pellet, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. And just use the mirror of the Aftershock. Because I don't want to go, too colory. I just want to do something with y'all. The third fact about me is that I am highly allergic to seafood. This one's a little deep, and I don't care about revealing it because we're here to be honest, and we're here to learn and grow from each other, and just be a big, beautiful community. Is that growing up, especially in high school, I had a really very hidden, I should say, yes, a very hidden eating disorder. Like, I would eat a Snickers a day because I seen this in like an episode of something. This kid had an eating disorder, and his way of like maintaining, like not passing out, was like eating a candy bar a day, and it was really bad. No one ever do that, please, ever, please. And so me not loving myself, me not like hating myself more than loving myself, I ended up like doing what he was doing. And I think I started off when I was 14, when I started to notice that. And like started noticing like, yo, I just suck. I thought being skinny would make myself feel better, and there it went. It wasn't the move. It was not the move, because now I love food. I love food way too much. I would cut out a lot. And I would cut out a lot of my diet. Basically a Snickers a day. Pero I would also work out in my neighborhood that I was living in at the time for at least 2 or 3 hours, or like as soon as I got off of school, I was walking. I was walking all around the neighborhood with headphones, and I would always wear like baggy sweatpants and sweaters, because I just didn't feel good about myself at all, like at all. It took me a while to get out of that. Like, it was a disorder. It was what I was going through at the time, and I just... The fifth fact is my favorite colors are yellow and green. Yellow because I always wanted to be the Mighty Morphin Power Ranger. Now, I always wanted to be the Mighty Morphin Power Ranger in the movie, not the TV show. I don't know why. I don't know, maybe because she was black and I was just feeling, I was like, yes! You feel me? But that's why, dear God, save me. And green is because I love all of it. Now, it's just not one type of yellow and one type of green. I love all the shades. I love all the shades of green, all the shades of yellow. It's my thing. My sixth fact about me is I was named after my great-grandma Isa. My grandma Isa's name is Isabel, and I think it was spelled with an E-L, not a... Hold on. Good thing is I was raised with my great-grandma. I got to know her, which was really, really cool. I didn't know my grandma on my mom's side until like a couple years ago. Well, I always call her Abuela Isa no matter what, because she's my grandmother. That's who I was raised with. That's who took care of me when I was older, younger. So another fact about me, I had an emo phase. Can you tell? You'll probably see it throughout my videos, you know. I don't know, yeah, I want to say I did have an emo phase. It was a thing. Had my hair all on the side. I had little side bangs. I had the attitude, like, I'm gonna go wash my hair and we're gonna put product in my hair. Like I said, it's a get ready with me. It's not just the makeup. So give me 1 second. I'll be right back with the rest of the facts and with my hair. Alright guys, I'm big and I'm big. True. I am back with this hair. It is out. When I am in a rush, I definitely need to do this. Take care of this. Make sure I blow dry it. Get everything out of the way. Oh my God, the lighting. Second to last fact that you guys don't know about me is that my favorite Disney character, like the classical ones, is Goofy. Every time I see him, I freaking cry, and I'm just like, this is it. This is how my get ready with me looks. I told you, you know, I have a wardrobe, like, my wardrobe is filled with a lot of dark colors, a lot of dark clothing. My emo phase is still there because it's not a phase, Mom. It's not. Because are you dead? I'm dead. But alright, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye!